Hello everyone. Let us learn the remaining things about Indian geography. Already in the previous part, I've done with many of the things. Let's learn remaining things. Let us learn important latitudes. Latitude means what? The horizontal imaginary lines. Horizontal imaginary lines. Right? On the video. Let's consider this as a group. Central latitude is called equator. Central latitude is called equator. Above that, whatever the latitude is there, that is called Tropic of Cancer. Below equator, whatever the latitude is there, that is called Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. About equator, Tropic of Cancer. Below equator, Tropic of Capricorn. Equator is 0 degree. This is 23.5 degree. 23.5 degree. North. This is 23.5 degree. South. Because when we divide, equator is dividing it into two equal halves. This is north, this is south. This is in northern part, so it is degree. This is in southern part, Tropic of Capricorn. That's why it is degree. Yes. Okay. Now here, there will be Arctic Ocean there. Here, Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is 66.5 degree and this is the northern hemisphere, so degree. Whereas downwards it is Antarctic Circle. Here Antarctic Ocean is there. Right? Antarctic Circle. 66.5 degree. This is in southern hemisphere, degrees. And finally this is North Pole. And this is South. Okay. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degrees. Now, let us learn about geographical background of the Earth. Background. Okay. 280 million years ago, there is a supercontinent called Pangaea. Around that, the water body is called Panthalassa. Okay, Pangaea, Panthalassa. Okay, now, then 200 million years ago, it got divided into, this Pangaea got divided into two subcontinents. One is Laurentia. It is also called Angara. And the downward is called Gondwana. In between them, there is a water body called Tethys Sea. Now, all of us know it is 7 continents and 5 oceans. Right? Now, let us learn the relief features of India. Relief features of India can be remembered by using a logic called chip irony. C stands for coastal plains. H stands for Himalayas. I stands for Indo-Gangetic Plain. P stands for Peninsular Plateau. I stands for islands. D stands for deserts. Let us learn one by one. Okay. First of all, let me tell you about the deserts. Okay. In ship ID, what is D stands for? Desert, right? How to remember desert related info? Easy. I'll tell you now. It is by using a simple trick. Tar rail. Tar rail. They made a railway transport by using tar desert. That is the logic. Tar rail. Okay. T stands for, what is the desert name in India? That is Thar Desert. Which desert we have in India? Thar Desert, right? Okay. That is the name of the desert. And A stands for its location. Where is it located, It is on the leeward side of Aravali Range. Leeward side of Aravali Range. Aravali Range is the oldest range in the entire world. Aravali Range is the oldest mountain range in the entire world. Himalayas are the youngest mountain range in the entire world. Okay. R stands for the exact location, the state in which it is located. It is located in Rajasthan. Thar Desert is located in Rajasthan. Thar Desert, Aravali Range, leeward side in Rajasthan. R stands for rainfall. Because of low rainfall itself, it is being desert for many years. It is 100 to 150 millimeters per minute. Okay, next. Second D stands for arid type of climate. What is the climate in the Thar Desert, Arid climate. Okay, that means very dry, very hot and humid. Arid climate. I stands for Indira Gandhi Canal. Even though there is no water source much, there is no much rainfall in India, like in Rajasthan. They are cultivating crops by using a canal which is Indira Gandhi Canal. It is the longest canal in the entire India. Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, next. What is the only river in Rajasthan which is flowing river? That is Luni River. Luni River is the only river in Rajasthan. These are the things about Rajasthan, desert. Thar Rail, Thar Desert, Aravali Range, leeward side, Rajasthan, rainfall, arid climate, Indira Gandhi Canal, Luni River. Now, let me explain you the next part. That is, I stands for islands, right? As I told you in the previous part, island means a land body surrounded by four sides water. A land body surrounded by four sides water. That means all the sides is covered by water. Then this is called island. Right? The land body is called island. See, we have two islands. What are the two islands we have? See, if we consider this as southern part of India, okay, this is Arabian Sea. And this is Bay of Bengal. Right? AB letters. A on left side, B on right side. A, B. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Okay. In Arabian Sea, which island we have? In Bay of Bengal, which one? What are the two islands usually we have? Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, right? Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Where Andaman and Nicobar is located, where Lakshadweep is. See, Andaman and Nicobar is starting with letter E. Arabian Sea is starting with letter E. Same poles never attract each other as per physics magnetism formula. So, Andaman and Nicobar won't be in Arabian Sea. So, it will go on to Bay of. That means Andaman and Nicobar Islands are Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands are Arabian Sea. Hope you got my point clearly. Okay? And now let me tell you everything about Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep. Everything. Okay? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. First of all, let me tell you about Lakshadweep is of coral origin. It means it is famous for its coral reefs. Okay. Next. Second. It is very small in size. It is just of 22 square kilometers area. Area means there will be length and breadth. Sway, length into breadth. That means 2 kilometers will be there, right? That means kilometer into kilometer is kilometer square. Kilometer square can be written as square kilometers. So 32 square kilometers area. Okay, that is about Lakshadweep. And what about, and one more thing. Above Lakshadweep, there are Maldives. Maldives is a island country. Recently, we had issue with Maldives. That's why our Prime Minister Narendra Modi garu proposed people to visit Lakshadweep instead of visiting Maldives. Yes or no? Isn't it? Now, let me tell you about Andaman and Nicobar. First of all, they are on the Arkanyoma mountain range. Arkanyoma mountains of Myanmar, which is on the right side of India. Myanmar. Earlier, Myanmar is called Burma. Okay. Next. Second point, they are of volcanic origin. They are of volcanic origin. Volcanoes. There are 2 active volcanoes in entire India which are located in Andaman and Nicobar. What are the 2 active volcanoes, you know? Barren and Narcondam Islands. Barren and Narcondam Islands are the 2 active volcanic islands. Okay, these are the only 2 active volcanoes. That means which may erupt at any time in future. Okay, next. What is the third important thing? They are very famous for their flora and fauna. There are lots of varieties of flora and fauna in Andaman and Nicobar. As we know, in historical period, Andaman and Nicobar has a famous jail. Okay, now we turned into a manufacturing unit. Well, next, what is one more important point, which we need to remember? It is in 2004 tsunami, the last point of India, southernmost point of India, named Indira Point, got submerged in Indira Point, submerged in 2004 tsunami. Indira Point has other names as well, like Pygmalion Point. Okay. Indira Point got submerged in 2004 tsunami. It is the southernmost point of entire India. Okay.